morning, children. This is me, Manjunath TM, Assistant Teacher, SAKHS Bada. I welcome you all once again for YouTube class or online class. In my previous class, I have introduced a lesson called There is a Girl by the Track, is written by Devan Khanau. In my previous class, dear children, I think you remember this is the real incident oriented prose. This was happened on 10th December 2010. It was happened at Mumbai railway station. As I have introduced in my previous class, Roma Talreja, she was in call center, 21 year, become graduate girl. When she was returned from her duty, she was rushed and in the train and pulled out of the train. She fell down and girl by the track. It was the scene that was. There is an opposite train of Roma Talreja. There is a Baleshwar Mishra who was an UP student, boy. He saw that scene and he pulled his train and he never wait for the train stopped. Immediately he fell down and he rushed towards to rescue the Roma Talreja. So after he lifted her from that place and he searched and he requested many motorists. With very difficulty he reached that road, because where they were in between the two stations there will be no road at all connecting with the tracks. So he grabbed that road, searching the road, and ultimately he reached on the direction of the where the vehicles are moving on. And he followed the sound's direction. Ultimately, he reached the road. The many motorists have moved there, but no one has ready to stop the vehicle and to help the Baleshwar Mishra. So this was going on. So I have stopped this. Okay, let's start. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Just when he had begun to lose hope, the tempo truck pulled over its driver, middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. Okay, dear children, as I told, many of the motorists who are moving on the road, but nobody has to stop and no one is ready to come towards that Baleshwar Mishra to help her. At last, this Gujarati truck driver stopped his vehicle and he came to Baleshwar and asked what happened, and he saw that girl. She was on the arm of Baleshwar that was fully, her body is fully covered. So immediately he helped Baleshwar, the Baleshwar and Roma down in the back of his truck. Baleshwar was quickly telling what happened, why she was in this condition. Everything was explained by Baleshwar Mishra in a short span of time to the truck driver. So during that moment, that truck driver who helped the Baleshwar Mishra, during that time, immediately the policeman or the traffic police is called a cop, who came towards the Baleshwar and he advised them to go near Hairoli hospital. So, but Baleshwar did not agree with the police, because during the duration was so long. So, if they went to Airoli hospital, it takes 10 minutes of the journey. So the condition of the Roma, it was so difficult and critical. So he wanted to reach a nearby hospital and he should give them immediate treatment for the Roma Thalreja. So he decided to go a nearby hospital in the short time. So this was the line that he explained. So the same thing, whatever I said, it was given. So take that girl to Airoli, suggested that cow. There is an hospital there, but Baleshwar was disagreed. Look at this book. In opposite of agree, it is an opposite disagree. So by prefixing that word, we can make an opposite, agree, disagree. So Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away, so that. There is a closer place, I know, said the Baleshwar. 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital where the nurse pleaded to take that young woman in, but the facility has lacked the personnel and equipment. And on-duty physician was not able, due to more than give basic first aid. He advised that she moved to a nearby hospital. Yes, that policeman or the cop advised Baleshwar to send her to an Airoli hospital, but Baleshwar, as I told you, was disagree. So he wanted to reach with a nearby hospital. So he went to a closer hospital. After the 10 minutes of that she shifted into a truck back, they reached a small hospital. So there is not enough facilities like personnel or other equipment. So it was only that first aid as given by the nurse of that hospital, but the physician of that hospital was not in his chamber or in his chair. So after receiving or after giving treatment, that is first aid treatment, so they decided to move next hospital, which have called with the super specialty or having all the equipments or the personnel. So Baleshwar and the driver had no choice, but they moved her back into a truck. When the vehicle is lurched forward, Roma stirred in her eyes and fluttered open. So during the time that Baleshwar had no choice, and even the truck driver, they spent 10 to 15 minutes only in that small hospital, because as I told earlier, she had a deep wound in her head. She was deep injured in her head. So they decided to go to next hospital for giving higher treatment, because it needs more treatment. So there was no choice. Immediately they again shift her into the truck back and they start moving. They lurched. Lurched means to move steadily. So they move so speedily, as much as possible. They start moving. So then they went out immediately, as they were on they are on the way to reach an hospital. So during that time, when the vehicle is in moving so fast, Roma, she stirred to open a fluttered eyes. She was very difficult. She was very hard to open her eyes. So during that moment, what happened? So there is, what's your name? What's your name? Asked Baleshwar. Baleshwar is in the back of the truck. There is an Roma Thalreja. He has observed Roma Thalreja is very hardly to open her eyes. Immediately he asked, what's your name? What's your name? So he was with her in the back on the truck. Immediately he asked, what's your name? What's your name? So that Roma Thalreja, she managed to grid out her name, Roma, like that. She was very difficult to speak. because she was not in a normal condition to speak audibly or speak clearly. She feeling so unconscious. She looks unconscious. After getting a small type of first aid, she very hardly opened her eyes. That was observing by Baleshwar, and immediately he asked, "What's your name?" So he get the answer, that was Roma. And at the moment, whom I call, he asked, whom I call? He asked quickly, fearing that she would black, she would out of once more. Immediately she asked, "My brother Dinesh, my brother Dinesh." Well, at the moment he asked his brother Dinesh, that is Dinesh. He asked Dinesh cell number also. So she has given a cell number of her brother Dinesh. Immediately again she closed her eyes and she went to again the darkness. So here after this, Baleshwar Mishra, he memorized a phone number of Dinesh, which was given by Roma. He then immediately Roma's eyes soon lost focus and she rolled back into the darkness. Then what happened? Chacha, can I borrow your phone? Can I borrow your mobile? These things are happening, is going on the way to small hospital to a next hospital. Baleshwar asked truck driver's phone number by addressing him as a Chacha, and the driver passed him his phone, and Dinesh Talreja, wrapping up in his day of his marketing job. Dinesh Talreja is a brother of Roma Talreja. He is his duty of wrapping up a marketing job, retail outlet. It was in Ulhasnagar. So there he is working. When the phone rang, he couldn't identify who he was calling because it's a new number. He didn't recognize, but he received that phone, and what happened? Baleshwar Mishra, is it Dinesh Bhai? The young voice asked, and immediately when Dinesh answered yes, suddenly your sister Roma was fallen off a train, and we were taking her to a divine hospital. Immediately he said, your sister, she was fell from the train, so we are shifting her into a divine hospital. It was a super special hospital. It was in Gansoli. I am on the way, it was said by the Dinesh Talreja. Immediately Dinesh Talreja started his motorcycle and ran towards the hospital where that Gansoli was. Roma arrived to that divine multi-speciality hospital and a research center. Later, Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing that extent Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to ICU without any paperwork. So here I want to highlight this point. As soon they reached that multi-speciality hospital that was in Divine, they met immediately Dr. Anil Agarwal, who was the director of that hospital. He saw a patient, Roma Talreja, that was an extent of Roma's injuries. He didn't ask any paperwork. He immediately admitted her to an ICU. As I explaining, ICU means intensive care unit. So, in a hospital who are taking care intensively, So there she has to be admitted and started giving a treatment. So you look at this. In every hospital, commonly is like that. Now the people who are in the hospital person, they have changed their attitude. Very first, they are not given importance to the patient. First, they have to give an importance for a paperwork. But here, now it was changed. The patient, if they go to hospital, the first thing he has to give, important thing is to give the treatment, then asking there any paperwork. So here Dr. Anil Agarwal has given more importance for the patient. After that only they have to do paperwork. So this was the great thing what we have understood here. Then he asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. That's when they noticed the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. Oh, I don't thank them, Baleshwar thought. All these things can happen. So doctor has advised and the hospital person has advised, you have to please stay until this Roma's family persons or the relatives or the patient's side person come, until you have to wait. So during that urgency, Baleshwar Mishra has forget to say thank for helped person who helped the Baleshwar Mishra to shift Roma Talraj into hospital. That was a Gujarati truck driver. He forget to say thank for the chacha, so he feeling so sorry after many minutes later like this. Roma was still unconscious, but her X-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, Roma was still unconscious. After getting an X-ray, that is identified that her injuries are looked so severe. So she was fall from the train. It was a moving train. You just imagine the train is moving. It has its own speed. So if one can fall from the moving train, makes a huge danger will be happen. So she is a very good lucky girl. She was alive. If someone she had any concept what I am telling, that she was a lucky girl because she has this type of deep or injuries only. If someone who fall from the train, they may died there only at the spot death that can happen for them. But she get that type of injuries. All she needed were deep wounds, needs and sutures. They needed sutures. Sutures means whatever the wounds which were occur in their body, it needs to connect or to make that wounds to be healed. They need to that opened injuries can be closed by using the thread and the needle to called sutures. So they need some sutures. There would be no lasting damages. So more than that, there will be more damages. Dr. Agarwal believes she could have bled to death and nobody helped her. Yes, and Dr. Agarwal said, if she continues there only, if the blood was flowing out from her body, if it continues, it's danger to her life. But with the help of Baleshwar, he is responsible for that credits. Whatever that she was alive now, that credits goes to Baleshwar Mishra. When she finally opened her eyes that night only, her brother and a fiance, that is what? Vijay, who were there her side, and she could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. Just she nodded her heads and again she slept. So all this can happen at the night only. So when she was an unconscious after the better treatment given by the Dr. Agarwal, he has given a treatment. She taking a treatment of Agarwal. She opened her eyes. It was already a night. So when she opened her eyes, there in a side, both of her side, here is her brother called Dinesh Talreja and another side Vijay. So after immediately she saw them and she go to sleep again because she was in a drug mood. No? When Baleshwar came to meet her next morning, Roma was still partly sedated. As I said, sedated means he was in the half awakened or the partly sedated, half awakened. So what we can say, she was not in a complete wakened mood, she was an half awakened. Like this, because I know that why, because she was in that condition of giving treatment. Roma, on his way, Baleshwar had even revisited that spot. Baleshwar has revisited that spot where the Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. So, yesterday, after Dinesh came and he told Baleshwar, my sister's cell phone and bag was missing. So, next day morning that Baleshwar came to hospital. Before that, he went to the spot where he found the Roma Talreja. There he found a bag and a cell phone of Roma Talreja, and he carried that and he has given those things to the Dinesh. Not far from the spot, the railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. So it was given by that. And Baleshwar said, how are you feeling? That Roma replied, I am okay. Roma whispered. That Roma whispered, yes, I am okay. I am all right. In a few days, Roma made a full of recovery. She can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar had not been there. She says, amazed to learn that the manner in which she had been rescued. And she has to remember, if Baleshwar would not help her, what would happen to Roma? Roma will not able to avail in an alive body, or she will not be saved. She will be dead in a spot. As the doctor told, if that blood is bleeding continuous, is moving out from the Roma's head, she will be danger in her life. So she can't able to imagine that. She says it was an amazed love from the manner that she had rescued. I think it is astonished that stranger would jump off the moving train. He never bothered about his life. When his life is in risk, he can never repay a Baleshwar. And she continues, I think I am astonished. I think I am shocked because it was an incident there. Who came to help her is called Baleshwar Mishra. He was a strange person. As I told in my previous class, he belonged to UP, Uttar Pradesh. She belongs to Maharashtra. So nobody knows who they were. In that situation, the strange man who pulled his train chime until he didn't wait for that until that train stopped, he jumped from the moving train, and he could not bother about his life. He helped that lady. So this help she can't able to repay for the Baleshwar. So this way she recalling her experience, and she always be thankful and grateful because that Baleshwar saved the life of Roma Talvaja. And he said, I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that the people here are afraid, says Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. They are fear in getting trapped in the court with the police. And he noticed that, and he said he was a new person to Bombay, and he observed the people of Maharashtra, or the people of the Bombay. They are getting afraid of an helping incident taken place, because they may get fear or afraid of the police or the court if they trapped like this. So he said, and why? Why he did hit? She needed help. Baleshwar puts it simply that the day it was Roma. Tomorrow it could be you or me by the track, it bleeding and alone. And he said, so yesterday you are in the tracks, you are in the trouble. I don't know who will be next tomorrow, whether me or somebody. So that here his line can understood the readers. We have to help the one who need. So dear children, after learning this lesson, we come to understood that we should help a person who are struck by an accident. So today's our government of India had given a provision for a person who help a person who struck by an accident. There will be no police tracks or the police inquiries or the court. So you will be rewarded, you will be awarded, you will not be punished. If anybody can help this type of the person, when you have to go, this type of incident happen, so there will be no punish, it will be only given an award. So we try to change our attitude after learning this lesson. Anyway, dear children, this is one of the wonderful lesson, nice lesson that was given. Today, there are many vehicles are moving on our road. So total number of the vehicles on the road are so many times increased. So we are moving by vehicle or moving on my path, on my leg only, or by walking. We are get accident by ourselves, or to be, if we saw any accident at the moment, we should go to help them. That can, during the time, we should show humanity. You just understand that Baleshwar Mishra is not a Bombay man. He was a strange person, but he was very rich in his heart. He showed humanity on a strange girl. When he decided to help that girl, that saves one's life. So anyway, dear children, I am very happy to express or to explain about this incident. It is a real incident, which incident, as I told earlier, happened December 10, 2020. But so people who have to change their attitude to help some needy person. Anyway, dear children, today I am so grateful to you because of hearing my lesson. Thank you one and all.